All right, we are at the end of day 2, and I'm here for my my daily update. They did a lot today, so I'm starting at the front. I've been my annual pots. I keep taking them in and out, in and out, in and out of the garage, but I think today I'm going to be leaving them out, and I'm still hardening off these guys. But tonight is the first night that it's going to be 10, so I think I'm going to leave everybody out tonight. Anyway, back to the project. So they've started working on the path. Here's the stone. We can get a better look at it now that it's all opened up. So this is all the flagstone, the big pieces and the little pieces, and they've been cutting pieces to fit, and they've started laying them down. When we get to the back, they started at the back, so we're going to go see that. What they've done here is they've pulled up the sod. This was just mulch with some rocks, but they've pulled up the sod here to tuck the stone underneath it, which I think is a good idea. So I think that's going to be good. There's one rock. I think they've left this one there because it makes for a really nice corner piece. Anywho, let's keep going. So you'll see the path here. They've prepped it all along the side here to be able to tuck the stones underneath. So that's all good. Sinkhole has a little bit of fill in it, but still working on it. So as we're coming up here, there's some other pieces here. It's too funny. All right, and don't mind my shadow. And they've got some started here. That's the piece. Now, these are the 2 flower beds, the future flower beds, which they have filled in. They're laid out. They're ready to go. So that is awesome. I'm excited about that. That's one on that side, one on the other side. And then they've started laying some of the flagstone path here. See if I can get a better look at it. I don't want to mess anything up, which is cool. It's going to be awesome. I like the width. This is about, 4 feet wide. And they did the same thing here. So they're going to be flipping the sod, or this is clover, the sod back over once they tuck the rocks under, at least along the edges. And actually, because tonight is the first night it's going to be 10, I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to plant my tomatoes and whatnot tomorrow morning. But that is the plan as of now. We'll see if that holds. All right, so a lot done in terms of getting the path started and prepping the soil, or the sides of the path. And then I also wanted to show you that they've finished the dry riverbed extension. So let me come up on this side to give you a lengthwise look of what that looks like. So this is the end. They found a nice rock to be able to anchor it. Just anchor the space, which is next to the flower bed here. You come down so you can see, have a good look at that. And then that big tree is gone. They did that yesterday. And then all along this edge, it's kind of meandering down to where the original dry riverbed ended and this new one began. So that looks really good. I love all the big rocks that are just like scattered throughout. I really like that. So pretty. They still have to plant the trees. They still have to finish the path. This extended, they did this yesterday, the extended maintenance strip underneath the deck, next to the deck footings, I mean. And then the only thing remaining that they also did today was taking down 2 trees up here, the 2 dead trees that were in the front. And there was a bunch of brush that was there. So those are gone too. You can see them. They were like here, and they are now gone. Oh, there, you can see the little piece of it there. Right there. And that's pretty much it. Don't mind the porta potty. But things are well underway, and I will give another update probably tomorrow of I'm expecting that they're going to make a lot of headway on the path just because this is the last major thing that's left to do. But that's it so far. I'm loving this. I love this rock, this flagstone. I think it's fantastic. I love the look of it. I find it still looks natural in a way. Like it doesn't look like pavers, which I don't mind pavers. We used to have them in our old house, but I find that here, it just goes better in the environment that we're in. Just a little more natural. All right, I'm going to leave it there for today, and I will talk to you tomorrow, guys.